What's up, YouTube? My name is Richard Wynn, and you're watching Southern Spirit for Life. I am standing in front of my Joboticaba, also known as the Brazilian grape tree. This tree is grown in a 25-gallon container, and it produces fruit almost year-round. The tree produces the fruit directly on the limb and trunk of the tree. This tree is loaded with fruit, y'all. And again, it's almost like year-round for this variety. And there's a better image where the fruit is attached directly onto the hardwood limb. I also harvest this fruit from actually this tree the other day. So as you can see, it's a very good producer. Thank you so much, y'all, for watching Southern Spirit for Life. I'll catch you next time.